to TwinkleToons.
Waddle, waddle goes the duck, splashing in the pond with luck, quacking songs so loud and bright in the morning's golden light. She flaps her wings and dips her beak, pecks at fish and plays hide and seek. Her ducklings line up 2 by 2, waddling as they always do. They shake their tails and chase a bug, then paddle round for a cozy hug. Mama Duck gives a gentle call, time to dry and rest from all. In the reeds they snuggle near, listening close with open ear. The frogs all croak a sleepy tune as the sun sets into the moon. So waddle, waddle one more time, ducklings sleep in perfect rhyme, tucked in downy feathers tight. Waddle dreams until daylight.